Callicarpa are little known shrubs, quite big shrubs in some cases. There are quite a number of species, but the best one of all, and perhaps the best known one, is Callicarpa bodinieri Profusion. And if we just look at the gorgeous berries that are setting here, the leaf will fall and these berries will be left on the tree right through the winter until the birds get them. And what a standout feature plant this is going to be. The one we're looking at was only planted in 2019. It's made tremendous growth. It flowered away in the summer, and just look at the end results. Absolutely fantastic, standout. And if we come over here, there's another species of Callicarpa which is really quite something too. And this is Callicarpa shirasawanum, which is relatively new to us here at Callicarpa. And here you can see very plentiful berries as well, not quite as dark in colour as the bodinieri Profusion, but pretty spectacular nonetheless. There are three plants here. One of them catches a bit more wind and has lost more of its leaves. The others are still hiding their berries, which are not quite as well developed. And if you look closely here, you can actually still see a few flowers on this particular species. The flowers are not terribly impressive, but the berries come fairly quickly after the flowers. And these are shrubs for the back of the border, for somewhere on your driveway where you'll see them every morning and think how wonderful they look. And if we're looking in context here, you see the Callicarpa beside Fuchsia hatzbachii, still in full flower in mid-October. What an amazing thing that is.